Guys, I'm warning you that there's a big snowstorm coming. It's really big. I just saw the news. I don't know if we're gonna have school. I hope. It's not that scary, I think. So, give you more news.